Sewage treatment plants are maintained as well as emptied. People often confuse the two. Maintenance is generally geared towards the actual process of the system, so there are component parts within the plant that will need to be changed, and there are consumables that need to be replaced. Pumps, valves, manifolds, etc. all need to be cleaned and set. So it's a bit like a car. If you don't service it each year, it will start to underperform, and the same is applied to a sewage treatment plant. Also, good maintenance will also ensure that you're only emptying the plant when it needs it. So a maintenance visit will sample the plants, check the quality of effluent, and then advise if an empty is required or not.